welcome back to another Good Things video. This time the video is going to be a little different. Usually we don't talk, we don't really focus on items. We usually talk about cooking and stuff. But this time we'll be talking about the electric can opener and how to use it. So first of all, take a look at the package. Nice package, nice packaging. It's just like a thing of it. And I know, by the first look of it, you might take it as like a mouse or something, and then you might I don't know, you might think of it as a mouse, but this part is actually used for the can opening. So if you press this button right here, this thing will activate. But we're not only gonna, but here's how you actually use it. I'm not gonna actually use it because I don't want tomato sauce. We're not cooking anything in this video. So you wanna press this button here, and then it would activate the things on the bottom. And then you would wanna put it on your can, I think on the edges, and then press the button, and then it would automatically go around the can. Slowly though, not super fast. So go about at this speed. And then by the time it's done, you'll be able to just get your can cap and then just get it out and stuff. And it doesn't cost you much. We might do a Christmas sale, I don't know, but if you're wondering if it actually was a tomato stuff can, yes it was. Made by...
Let's do a Christmas sale. $13 and $95.
Yeah.
$13.95.
$13.95
on Amazon.
On Amazon for this can opener. For a Christmas sale for you guys only, so you guys can get this thing for yourself. So if you're making tomato sauce, or if you go over here, or actually no, there are way more cans in my supply area. You could open all sorts of cans to make your Christmas dinners, and open cans if there's toys inside cans, which is a very low chance there is. And yeah, this is the perfect thing to use for cans. You can't use it for anything else. For example, right here, I have a cranberry juice thing. I can't use it on this. I can only use it on cans because it's called the electric can opener. And then you just use it, and I was pressing the button earlier, but you gotta press it hard because some of these don't work properly. Yeah. So that's just a quick video to show you guys what this thing can do, and about this Christmas sale we might do for these. If you guys want more videos on about how to use things, next we could teach you guys how to use our other main item, which you'll find out in the next one. Bye guys, hope you have a wonderful day. Take care.